In this tutorial I will going show on how to change overcast photos into add awesome sunset sky easily and quickly. Please watch full tutorial. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop, then open your images. Crop your sky area. Now select Move tool. And press Ctrl A for all selection, then move on your subject. Press Ctrl T for transform, resize your image, then press Enter. Select your sky layer and press Ctrl J for layer copy. Click on mouse right button and select flip vertical. Now go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Give radius 8 pixels, then OK. Again go to filter, then blur, then motion blur. Mouse right click on your sky layer and convert to smart object. Hold Ctrl key and click for multiple, select your layer. Then press Ctrl G for group. Now off your group, and select background layer and go to channels. Now hold Ctrl key and click on blue layer. Again go to layer and on your group. Now select your group and just click on mask. Now hold Alt key and just click on your mask. And select your brush tool and foreground color is black. And just use on your unexpected area, where you don't want to add sky. Now go to image, then adjustment, then curves. Increase curves level. Now again hold Alt key and just click on mask for back to previous result. Now finally use color lookup. For more effective color lookup top 10 filter in this video description box. So please check and download now. I hope you must like this video. Please like, comment and share my video. And must subscribe my channel for more update videos. Thank you.